How to get chainsaw at level 1 in Doom 64. Hi guys, today I will show you how to get a chainsaw in Doom 64. First, head to the room. You will need to kill a few enemies to get there. In the room, there's a panel. Interact with it to unlock the weapon. However, you need to go to a location to collect it. Sorry, had to get a med kit. My health was getting low. You don't need to get a med kit if you don't want to. The panel looks like this. Interact with it, then go to a location. The location is outside to the left, close to a bend in the hallway. And there you have it. Hope this helped. If so, please like and subscribe for more. If you want to, feel free to type suggestions on other games I should play.